Welcome back to the channel. So let's talk about the next version of AirPods, the new AirPods 4. They might be coming sooner than you think, possibly in 2023. Today, I want to go over everything we know so far about the AirPods 4 and how they'll be different from the AirPods 3. I'll also talk about the release date and price. The AirPods Pro 2 came out in 2022 and the AirPods 3 were released a year earlier in 2021. It looks like the regular AirPods and AirPods Max will be next to get updated. Unlike other companies that release new earbuds every 12 to 18 months, Apple usually updates its AirPods every 2 to 3 years. Apple also improves AirPods through software updates, which are often announced at WWDC. We expect to see updates for the AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro 2 at WWDC 2023. As for the next AirPods, there's not a lot of info yet, but I'll share the latest rumors, the expected release date, and a summary of everything we know about the AirPods 4. After that, I'll tell you what I hope to see in the AirPods 4. Feel free to comment below with your own ideas for features, and I might feature your comment in a future video. Now let's talk about when we might see the AirPods 4. The AirPods 3 came out in fall 2021, and Apple usually updates them every 2 to 3 years. The AirPods 1 to 2 took about 2.5 years, and then the AirPods 3 came out just over 2 years later. It's likely that Apple will wait until at least 2 years after the AirPods 3 to release the AirPods 4. It may also borrow some technology from the AirPods Pro 2. For the release date, the earliest we could see the AirPods 4 is fall 2023, but based on Apple's history, spring 2024 seems more likely. Apple usually has a spring event in March or early April, so we might see an announcement then. Of course, it's still early, so things could change. Just a quick note. While I share a lot of leaks and rumors, not all of them turn out to be true. I can only share what I've heard, and nothing is 100% certain until Apple officially reveals the AirPods 4. But if you're watching this video, you're probably as curious as I am about the next AirPods and want to stay up to date on the latest leaks and rumors. Before we go further, have you thought about crypto mining? It might sound complicated because of the cost of equipment, storage, electricity, and maintenance. But GMT has made it easier with NFTs backed by real computing power. When you buy a GMT NFT, you're actually buying a piece of the computing power that mines Bitcoin. GMT has been mining Bitcoin since 2017, and they set up the infrastructure for you. It's simple to buy an NFT from their website and start earning daily rewards. You can even join a mining pool with other people. Plus, you can get 10% off your NFT purchase by using the referral link in my description. Now, let's go over what we know about the AirPods 4. The design will likely stay the same, similar to how the AirPods 1, 2, and Pro models kept a similar look. However, we may see some small changes, like the addition of a USB-C port. The EU is pushing for all devices to use USB-C, and the AirPods 4 might be the first to make the switch. The AirPods 4 will also have better audio with enhanced spatial audio and probably conversation boost, thanks to the new H2 chip. This is the same chip used in the AirPods Pro 2, offering clearer and louder sound. They might also include the U1 chip for tracking the case like the AirPods Pro 2. We'll probably see Bluetooth 5.3 and touch controls, which are currently in the AirPods Pro 2. For colors, there are rumors of new options like black or red, but they'll likely still offer the classic white. Battery life might also improve with up to 7 hours of listening time and around 33 hours total with the charging case, thanks to the H2 chip. As for price, the AirPods 4 will probably cost around $179, which is similar to previous models, though it may vary depending on where you live. So that's what we know about the AirPods 4 so far. As for my personal wish, I'd love to see more color options like black or red, similar to the Beats Studio Buds. Let me know in the comments if you agree or if you'd rather stick with white. Also, feel free to share what you'd like to see in the next AirPods. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe for the latest Apple news, reviews, and comparisons. Until next time, I'll see you soon.